Guys, congratulations to you. Type congratulations on the comment section. I don't finally buy new car worth 7 million. You know, it is easy to buy something in this hard economy where Tinubu wife same with the roast corn, take live life. Now I don't find a roast corn. Go buy a car now. Type congratulations to me in the comment section. Now, see, I don't buy new back for my car. See, before seeing my new car, type congratulations. See my car key here. Type congratulations. You know, the day easy like that. Now, carry the camera. Let me show you my new car.
And there is nothing Juju can do. His blood speaks better things.
Yeah.
We stand gallant because our senior man is able. He who speaks to
Carry the camera. Type congratulations on the comment section. You know, the day easy. Now, before I unbox the car, type congratulations first before I unbox the car.
And there is nothing
May una see.
His blood speaks better things than that.
Yeah.
We stand gallant because our senior man is able. He who speaks to mountains and they move.
Guys, early days. Congratulations. Damn, I didn't buy new tire. In case of this one, they issue, I didn't buy new tire. Damn.
And there is nothing Juju can do. His blood speaks better things than that. We stand gallant because our senior man is able. He who speaks to mountains and they move. And to dead dreams, he says, Talisa. We ask for mercy. This is testament that God is good. And there is nothing Juju can do.